Assalamu alaikum. So here we'll see how to solve these issues where you don't see this image, so it's gray, right? And there could be various reasons. One of the reasons is that something is wrong with our backend env file. Now here it's my env file over here, and I'm running it on locally. So here this is the app URL. Okay, right. Now the problem is here, but how to detect that this is the problem? So what we could do, we could come over here and then we can do inspect this one. We are on Chrome browser, so let's click on this, and here you'll see that this is image URL, right? So now if you say it, if you see it carefully here, you do see that there is no slash over here, so it's invalid URL, so that's why image is not being shown. Now if we come over here and let's save it. Now if you come over here, restart your app, here you see the images are visible, and over here we also see that valid image path, which you can see it from here. Okay, so yeah, that's how you go ahead and check your image URL using this Chrome network tab, actually over here, or over here actually. So that's how you go